Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the banyan tree in a very easy way. For that, let's begin with the color today. First, we put the green color on top to show the leaves of the trees, the branches, so the green part on the top. So this is the outline, usually basic outline of a green part. All right. In the base, we can draw a color like this at the bottom. The trunk of the banyan tree, it's very much thick. It's over the ground, and the ground is green too. So we put a little green at the bottom. So you can see the basic shapes of the trees, the leaves, the trunk, and the ground here. The outline is almost done. Now we'll do the details. Okay. Let's draw the trunk like this. All right. This is the trunk. The old trees, you can see some cracks in the middle of the trunk. These are the because of the aging. When the sun falls on the tree, there are shades to the trees, like few places are dark, few places are little dark. So that's how we are drawing this one. All right. We can do the details on the trunk too. On top of the trunk, you can show the branches, base of the branches like this. All right. Now we could draw some cloud-like formations to show all the leaves up here. So cloud-like formations comes up like this. So many trees on top, so many branches, and many more leaves. Let's put shade on the same side of each clouds. We need to draw a few details on the ground too, like we need to put some grasses and bush at the bottom of the tree. The ground is not plain. The few things are coming from the top like this. So these are the natural branches hanging from the branches of the tree towards the ground. Usually all banyan trees have these kind of stuffs hanging from the tree. So this is almost the iconic character. Now we can draw the branches little darker. like this. The outline of the trunk, the outline of the crack, and few details here. Mhm. We can put little shades in few places for more elaboration. Let's put the lighter green color on this side. Alright, so this is the drawing of a banyan tree. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.